Hi everyone. So this is the mock test of the NPTEL GATE. So this second test. So I have missed the first one. So let's. So today I have attempted this test. Let's check the answers which you attempted. Okay. So there's the first question. So we can see the answers. Okay. So related to the maths. Next to the general question. Next is related to the maths. Okay, products of roots. Next, related to the applied reasoning. I hope. Yeah. Next, fifth question. Okay. Next, sixth question. So if it is related to you, you can check. So I just attempted it normally. So I also didn't prepare well. So just it's normally attempted the questions only. Okay. So this is my first time to attend the mock test of the NPTEL GATE. So just I will randomly give the answers. Okay. So you may check the question, options, answers. Okay, who are preparing well for the seriously for the GATE examination, they can also check. That will be helpful for this NPTEL section. So there's also they're having the so mock test schedule also there. Okay, I will also show the mock test schedule, so you can also prepare well, go through the mock test. Okay, every Sunday there will be the exam at 2 to 5. Okay, 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. So you can also attempt, you can also know. Okay, so just whatever the known questions are there, just that only attempted. Because the gate is a negative mark question, so there is a negative marking. Okay, so that's why randomly, so we know why, whichever the answers we know that we need to be answered, as you know already, who are preparing the aspirants. But as we know that already, fill in the blanks. Okay, so that questions are exempted from the negative marking. Okay, some questions will be having the 2 marks questions, some questions will having the 1 mark questions, even though multiple choice questions, and fill in the blanks. Okay, so this related to the topic that is electrical engineering, that I also shows the electronics engineering also. Okay, so you can check the answers the carefully, so you can take the screenshot also if it's possible, pause and take. Okay, or else you may use the Google LM, so get the answers of the whatever. Okay, so here the some questions is not visible at the time of answering, so that also not yet came. Okay, that's maybe any glitch, maybe possibility. Okay, but in the actual examinations, all the questions will be clearly visible. Okay, so it's a mock test, maybe possibility. Okay, so you may please who are preparing the seriously, you may go through the each questions and answers. Okay, so how much probability is there for your attempting the questions. Okay, so how many questions are two questions, 2 marks questions, how many questions are from 1 marks questions from each topic, that also you can take. Okay, for your analysis point of view. So this will be helpful for who are preparing well seriously for GATE examination. So as we know that 65 questions, okay, 65 questions will be having. So in the 2 marks questions, the 1 mark questions will be there, and some of the questions will having the fill in the blanks. Okay, so fill in the blanks with the most of the questions will having the numeric type questions. Okay, so we need to use in the calci. Okay, so virtual calculator will be there, so based on we can need to answer. Okay, so here in this one, matrix is not there, I think. He has been given, but similar to the here in the actual examination also similar it will be there. okay, that we need to, or whoever written the test, okay, that will also they can show. Okay, so please take the question and answers. You may take the screenshot also, you can take possibility. Okay, so these are questions are related to the transformers HV and OC test. Okay, OC and SC test. So next, these questions will having the most of the questions in missions, and here the questions also not is okay. I don't know how why it is one, two, three. Mostly four questions is not shown. So this is another rotor resistance related questions. Okay, so this we can see the uh, AC motors. Okay, related to the induction motors, flipping induction motors. So this is the related to the so this one is related to the DC machines. Okay, here we can see the measurement questions, as we know. Okay, bridges. Next, this is related to the questions. Okay, hint. Yeah, hint maybe the given. So this is the questions we're preparing. Yeah. So I randomly gave the question. Answer is 2000. So I also don't know what is the exactly. So how it's 2000 will come. Okay. So this question and answer analysis will also find. Okay. So here, after checking the questions, we'll see the grades. Okay, how many grades I have got. Okay, so that's also we can see. Okay, don't think that. So I'm just slowly scrolling. Okay, that will help to check the answers. Okay, so that PDF we cannot put because it's only shows the only one page only. Okay, so that's why I'm making this one. Slowly scroll. Okay, so PDF print is not comes. So this is the embedded one. So that's why it's not comes PDF print. So it's probably you can take screenshot. So each questions who are analyzing. Sometimes as we know that gate questions will having the multi answers questions. Okay, apart from the multiple choice questions, we'll having the multi answers question. Okay, so we need to put the two answers. Okay, they will mention if these questions are multi answers questions, that also they will mention in the while it's in the actual examination. Okay, so this is a math related questions. So some questions will be having the yeah control system questions, signal and systems can find. So based upon your preparation, you may find which questions we need to prepare, which topic we are need to be more preparations required apart from it. Okay. So we are preparing the aspirants for GATE. So seriously, so please go through the NPTEL electrical. If it's go writing for electrical, so go through the electrical, electronics, go to the electronics. Okay, mechanical and mechanical. Okay, so depend upon your writing the preparation, so you may select the codes. I will show you how to. So in the channel also having the how to go register for the course. Okay, so please yeah, the sports system questions as we are seeing, power systems, control systems, signal and systems. Okay, so as you are putting the quickly, they will know which questions is from which subject. Okay, so it's been for me 10 years. First I'm checking the gate exam. Okay, so let's check the grades. So grades also it shows here. So here it shows. So here evaluation is pending. It shows. Okay. So previously I have missed. Okay, that is also. So here assessment are submitted. So evaluation is pending. After that, it will shows the evaluation. Okay. So these are the previous one. So previously also I have registered, but unable to attend the examination. Okay. So here this is a module. So before that, here. Okay. So this is the Gate NPTEL website. So go to through login. Okay. So register with your email ID. Okay, so then you may whichever the course you are, okay, so related to your branch, select the course and login. Okay, after 24 hours. Okay, so you need to check this one, not immediately. So it will, your access to the course practice test will be enabled within 24 hours after the verification. Okay, so it will take the 24 hours of verification, then only can log in. Okay, so these are the subjects is available for the point of view. Okay, next thing is that here the gate schedule is there. So mark test schedule. So we can see there. So week test is already gone. So there's a week two. Okay, so these are the weeks. So total 25 weeks are there up to Feb 2026, 1st February. Okay, so after that you can write the means 25 mock test assets. So who are the preparing well for the gate, so they may participate this. They will know the ranking also. Okay, so here as you know that in the grading. Okay, so in the grading it will shows your score, average, median score. Okay, that is also, so this possibility is there. Okay, so you need to check like, so NPTEL Gate portal. Okay, take the first link. So it will show us the login with your Gate portal. Okay, then you may register with your email ID. After register, okay, so here you may register your courses. Okay, so for checking purpose, I have registered for the electronics, electrical, mechanical, and mathematics. Okay, let's see the this one. So for electrical, if you see, so we'll have the subjects. Okay, so whatever the related subjects are, you can see. So that's then we'll getting the topic, which are the good. Okay, so signal and system topic. So EMF. Okay, these are the topic related to the questions. So you can find. So these are the topics which are okay. Now if you go through the mathematics course, so in the mathematics also they're having the course, right? So similarly for electrical, so there is a mathematics. So in the mathematics also will having the course. Okay, so calculus, linear algebra, okay, linear program topology, functional analysis, algebra, ordinary differential, complex analysis, real analysis. Okay, so we are preparing. Okay, based on that, they are also kept. Okay, so just I'm showing. Okay, so the subjects are electronics, electrical, mechanical, math, civil, computer science, chemistry, physics, biotech, life science, meteorology. Okay, these are. So because we are preparing mainly these strips, they can explore through the GATE NPTEL. Okay, they can write the mock test and prepare for the GATE examination. That will be helpful. Okay, thank you. This is Maniramakrishna signing off.